At the Mobile World Congress 2024, TECNO took the gaming world by storm with the launch of its Mega Mini Gaming G1 and Mega Mini M1 PCS, setting new benchmarks for compact and efficient gaming solutions. The Mega Mini Gaming G1, hailed as the world's smallest water-cooled gaming mini PC, boasts an independent graphics card and an innovative visual water cooling system, ensuring peak performance without the bulk. With options for Intel Core Ultra or the 13th generation i9-1390H gaming processor, up to 32GB DDR5 memory, 1TB SSD storage, UEFI 6E, and Thunderbolt for connectivity. It's designed for gamers who demand high-speed performance and seamless connectivity. The metal body, illuminated by vibrant colors, adds to its allure, making it a centerpiece of any gaming setup. Meanwhile, the Mega Mini M1, known as a pocket-sized desktop solution, impresses with its 0.38 liters volume and 445-gram weight. Despite its size, it supports Intel Core 13th generation processors and can decode multiple 4K video streams, offering 16GB DDR for memory expandable to 32GB. Its durable aluminum body ensures it can handle the rigors of travel. Both PCS can be paired with TECNO's AR glasses for an immersive gaming experience, showcasing TECNO's commitment to innovation and versatile computing solutions. This launch not only highlights TECNO's prowess in the tech industry, but also offers a glimpse into the future of gaming, where power and portability coexist seamlessly.